哇，怎么烂了？开玩笑啊！不要，没事，调给你。
Hi guys, today I want to share with you Makita VC3211M vacuum cleaner. High maneuverability and easy mobility thanks to 32-liter compact stainless steel tank. 32 liters large dust bag capacity enables continuous cleaning work. Caster stopper prevents from moving unintentionally during use. Large bumper protects wall and furniture surfaces from scratches or damages. Large capacity of onboard storage. Continuous rating input 1050W. Tank capacity dust 32 liters. Water 27 liters. Max peak airflow 2.0 cubic feet per minute. Max sealed suction water column 22. Makita 240. Dimensions LXWXH552X398 x 685 millimeters 2134 x 155827. Net weight 16.9 kg 37 free LBS. Power supply cord 5.0 M16 4F.